Goody buddies, it's Royal and welcome back to another video. I know I'm looking a little bit too comfortable, huh? Okay, welcome back to another video. As you just saw, we just unboxed the Dell Inspiron 3668. This is a major upgrade for me. I'm coming from a Lenovo E series 1.2 gigahertz. It's a major upgrade for me and it's going to be my primary machine for everything that I do. So before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button since this is not a typical watch me unbox that for 20 minutes video. Like, subscribe right now. Let's talk about the ports. On the front we got two USB 3.0, headphone jack, SD card, we got the CD drive. On the back we got four USB 2.0s, VGA, HDMI, line in and out microphone, and the Ethernet port. So what does this beautiful thing come with? It comes with keyboard, mouse, desktop, and HDMI cord. Unfortunately, no, there's no monitor included with this. So if you're thinking about this product, you'll have to go and get your own monitor. But I'm happy because it came with an HDMI cord. That is rare. Not every company just throws in the HDMI cord. But I love it when I get an HDMI cord. That's just me personally. I got like a small little collection. On to the specifications, the specs. That's what everybody care about. What is on this inside? It's running a 7th gen Intel i5-7400 quad core processor, right? Quad core, 3 gigahertz. It can be overclocked to 3.5 gigahertz. So if you enter overclocking, if you want more speed with this particular model, it can be overclocked to 3.5 gigahertz. Integrated graphics card from Intel as well, UHD 630. Built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.0, so you can connect via Wi-Fi or you can connect Bluetooth. I'm running on Wi-Fi. 8 gigabytes of memory that can be upgraded to 16 gigabytes and a 1 terabyte hard drive. Before we get into performance, let me tell you right quick the reason why I purchased this particular model. For one, it was on sale. Of course, I needed a deal. This was about $130 off. The original price is like $630, $650. But on to the next. What I'm gonna be doing with this machine is pretty much editing, video editing, photo editing, browsing. So my best option would be something with more cores so the load can be spread over the cores and give it a much better render time, etc, etc. I ain't gonna get too technical, but I don't really do a lot of gaming on here. I play an online game. I don't do no Windows games, not yet, but since I don't do that yet, I don't really need a dedicated gaming system. So let's now go ahead and talk about the performance. I've only been using it for a few weeks, so this is basically like a small overview. It's not like a full in-depth real technical review, but the performance is good. You know, it's doing everything that I expected it to do. With the work I've been doing, like browsing, editing, so it renders quickly for 1080p 60 frames per second. Minor edits can render up to about 20-30 minutes. So from my research, I know it can render 4K. If you're thinking about rendering in 4K on this machine, it might take an hour plus. 1080p 60 frames per second, a few minor edits. Even if it was some more major edits, it can still push 20-30 minutes. But when it comes to browsing is pretty straightforward. It's fast, you know, it's not like instant, but I know some people really care about doing their tasks really instant. But again, it performs what I expected to do. I needed something with 4 cores so I can distribute the load when it comes to different editing. So this can handle 4K. I'm doing majority of 1080p, so but if you was looking into something with 4K, this pre-built machine can handle 4K video. When it comes to gaming, I'm pretty sure it can handle some gaming, but with this graphics card, I know some people are they like visual stuff. This is an integrated graphics card, so it might not be too appealing for someone, but it can get the job done. I think you can do some light gaming, but if you think about competitive gaming, with this, that's say no. Browsing, opening different applications, it's good. It's not the best, but it's good. So that's what I've been using over the past few weeks. If you would like to see a more in-depth review of the ins and out of this machine, let me know and I can work on that. But as an overview, it's a solid machine. 8 gigabytes of memory, 1 terabyte of storage. You know, it has the 7th gen i5 processor. It's a quad core, which is better for me for editing videos, rendering pictures, Photoshop, the whole Adobe suite. It's good. So alrighty buddies, you made it to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Since you made it to all the way to the end, hit that subscribe button for me one time. Give me a like, some feedback in the comment section. Let's go ahead and have a discussion about whatever. If you want more information about this particular model or any other variation of this model, let me know. Whatever questions you got, drop them down below. Again, thanks for watching. I'm gonna holler at y'all later. Be easy.